Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have an apartment and I get kind of yucky water, so I got this here. This is a Brita. If you've seen the Brita, this is one of the Britas that is supposed to, and I got the one with the higher filter. There's a couple of different choices to get. There was ones with a smaller filter, I guess, and then this one here had the better filter. So let's see what this thing looks like here and see what we got. So it looks like this is how it came in here. Everything's out of it. So I guess the filter is probably inside of the pack here. Let's see what we got. So I like to drink a lot of water, and I'm just tired of using all the bottled water. It just gets so expensive. So let's see what we got here. So we have this will open up. How do we open this up? I guess it all kind of comes apart like this, and here is the filter here. So this is, I guess, the newer, fancier looking filter. Are there any instructions at all on this thing? Oh, here we go. Here's your instructions right there on the side. Okay, so it says, put the filter in. Okay. I guess we just put this back on it too. It says press standard filter, press 2 seconds. Elite filter, press 6 seconds. So I guess that's going to be some sort of timer or something for it. Let's see. So let's see, how do we do this here? It wants to. Okay, so there, we've got it there. We'll fill it with water, and then it should filter through. And we have to push that thing for 6 seconds. So let's fill it up, see what happens. I am filling it up. I have a sink right next to where we're at. Okay, we got it full. It looks like it's dripping through. So we'll close that down, and then we'll hold this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now it's flashing on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys probably can't. But on there it says it's flashing. So what does that mean? So add cold water first. Pour out the first 3 full pitchers full. So we have to dump the first 3 pitchers when we do it. And then we should be good. So now we'll just let it filter through, and once we get 3 pitchers worth, we'll dump it out, and then we'll be drinking. So hopefully this will work good. I like it. Thumbs up.